I hope everyone's having a beautiful spring break. My son and I had a nice time earlier this week doing some backcountry skiing out in Hatcher Pass. And now I'm back in Anchorage attending an online conference and sitting in front of my computer way too much. But I'm going to be out of town again this weekend, and so I wanted to make sure to post this work in case some of you wanted to get a jump on it. So this week for reading, you're going to continue to work on finding sources for the paper that you're working on. I highly encourage you to meet with one of our librarians if you haven't already. You can do that virtually or face-to-face. I'm somebody who's very good at researching, and every time I visit with one of our research librarians, they help me find better sources than I could find on my own. So by Wednesday, I would love it if you submitted your paper draft to me. It's okay if it's a really crappy draft, but you sending it to me helps to hold you accountable. It also gives me a chance to let you know if you're moving off track or what you're really doing well before we start the peer review on Thursday. This will follow the same cycle as we did with the first paper, and so you'll be working with your groups to help move your draft forward in the second half of the week. I hope you're all having a great time, and make sure you check in with me if you have any questions. Take care.